Welcome to AI for Sales Success, the enduring need for human interaction. Today, we'll explore how artificial intelligence is transforming the sales landscape, while highlighting the irreplaceable value of human connection. Artificial intelligence is rapidly reshaping the sales industry, offering powerful capabilities and numerous benefits to sales teams worldwide. Let's delve into what AI brings to the table. AI's strengths in sales are particularly evident in its ability to handle repetitive tasks, analyze vast datasets, and provide predictive insights. One of AI's key contributions is automating routine administrative tasks like data entry and scheduling, freeing up sales professionals to focus on more strategic activities. AI excels at analyzing massive amounts of data, identifying patterns, and scoring leads with remarkable accuracy, ensuring sales teams pursue the most promising opportunities. Furthermore, AI's predictive analytics capabilities allow for more accurate sales forecasting, enabling better resource allocation and strategic planning. Despite its impressive capabilities, AI has inherent limitations, particularly when it comes to the nuances of human interaction. AI cannot fully grasp the complexities of human emotions, build genuine rapport, or truly understand unspoken needs, which are critical in sales. It also struggles with complex problem-solving and nuanced negotiation, often lacking the adaptability and intuition that human salespeople possess. This brings us to the indispensable role of human interaction in sales, where connection and understanding are paramount. Human salespeople are uniquely capable of building trust and fostering long-term relationships, turning one-time buyers into loyal advocates. They possess the emotional intelligence to understand unspoken needs, empathize with clients, and tailor their approach in real time. Humans also excel at adapting to unpredictable client situations, making ethical decisions, and navigating complex negotiations with finesse. The most effective approach isn't AI replacing humans, but rather a synergistic collaboration where AI empowers human salespeople. AI can empower human salespeople by providing them with powerful tools for lead generation, data analysis, and task automation, enhancing their overall efficiency. This allows human teams to focus their efforts on high-value interactions that require empathy, strategic thinking, and genuine human connection. In conclusion, while AI is an invaluable tool for sales success, the enduring value of human connection, emotional intelligence, and trust building will always remain at the heart of effective sales. This is a Salespathshala presentation. We not only train, we facilitate transformation. Contact us for a free consultation to learn more about how our services can help you in growing your sales.